Hello and welcome everyone to get another enthusiastic videos. Today we will be discussing about creating objects in Java. An object in Java is essentially a block of memory that contains space to store all the instance variables. Creating an object is also referred to as instantiating an object. Objects in Java for create it using the new operator. The new operator creates an object of the specified class and turns a reference to that object. For example, here rectangle is a class name and R1 is a object name is equal to new operator, and rectangle is a constructor methods in a class of rectangle. This is the example to creating the objects. Here rectangle is a class name and R1 is a object name, and using the new operator we are creating the objects, and rectangle open close brace is a constructor class of the method. Accessing the class members. Creating the objects is containing its own set of the variables. We should assign values to these variables in order to use them in our program. Remember, all variables must be assigned values before they are used. Since our outside the class, we cannot access the instance variable, and the methods directly do this with must see the concerned object and a dot operator. Syntax of the object to accessing the variables and method. First, we are accessing the variable from one class to another class. Write object name dot and variable name is equal to value. Or we are accessing one class method to another class using the object, then write object name dot method name open close parenthesis, and in this parenthesis write the parameter list and semicolon. For example, here R is the object name dot length. This length is calling from accessing from one class to another class. So R dot length is equal to its value is a 15, and R dot width is equal to its value is a 10. Or we can also access the method from one class to another class. For example, R dot R is the object name and area is the method name. This method is present in one class and we are accessing in another class through the object. So R dot area open close bracket parenthesis and semicolon. For example, here is one of the program I am writing. Here we are calculating the rectangular area. So in one class, that is class name is a rectangle, here we are declaring the two instance variable, that is the integer type length and width. And here we are declaring the two methods. One is a void get int x comma int y, it's the parameter list, and we are assigning the values to the this instance variable, that is length is equal to x and width is equal to y. And another one method, here I am declaring int rect area, and it here I am calculating in this method the area of the rectangle. So return length into width. So I am creating another one class because in this class we cannot be execute because here not present any main method. So I am creating another one method class, that class name is a area, and here declaring the main method, that is public static void main string arguments. And thereafter in this main method I am declaring two variables, that is integer type, because calculating and storing in this variable, that is a and a1. And two objects are creating using the rectangle class. This class I am using this class, I am accessing the length and width into the this class. So I am creating the two objects using this object I am accessing these variables and methods. So creating the object is a rectangle. R1 is equal to new rectangle, and another one object I am creating in one using the one class. More than one object can also be created. So I am creating here another one object, that is rectangle. R2 is equal to new rectangle, and using through the this object I am accessing the instance variable of this class. So r1 dot length is equal to 16, its value, and r1 dot width is equal to its value is 10, and a is equal to here I am calculating the area. So directly we cannot calculate because the values are present in this class. So I am using the through the object we can calculate. So r1 dot length into r1 dot width, and I am using another one calculating method using the method accessing through the method. So rectangle R2 is another one object, and new rectangle. Here only when we are creating the object, that time only we are inputting the value, that is 15 and 10, and calculating using this method rect area and calculating the area. So A1 is equal to R2 dot rect area. So both area are displayed using the system dot out dot println method. That area A and area A1 is calculated. Area is calculated through the using the instance variable, and A1 is calculated using the methods. Thank you for watching the video.